upgraded stairs. So just fold in, fold up, and you close the door. Bedroom, closet space on each side, skylight, TV, outlets, the headboard, slider door, big bathroom, full shower. Kitchen. This makes a bed. The microwave is also a convection oven. Gas range. The fridge is gas or electric. Another TV in here. This is the slide out, and then electric awning. This is removable if you want to have this space included in your kitchen, living room. Toy hauler area. This lifts up, so there's a sofa and a bed here, sofa and a bed here, table, and then this is the toy hauler area. There are two things you put down there for motorcycles. I forget what they're called. They're under the camper.